to tell you more about the Mode story and update you on what we were able to accomplish in 2021 and how that has set us up for growth success walking into 2022. We're very focused on returning value to our shareholders. And I'll be the first to admit, when I look at our share price today, it does not reflect the value that I want this company to be returning to our shareholders. So I continue to be very focused on that. And what are we going to do to continue to improve our share price and bring the real value of what I see Mode as? I continue to be very encouraged by the successes that we have had. And 2021 was full of some significant successes as we went through the year. We've done nothing but continue to execute on what we say what we're going to go do. We've executed since our IPO, and 2021 really proved that out. So just to reflect on 2021, if I had to summarize it quickly, it's really 2021 was a year of building. We built out some significant technology around our own payment rail, a unique payment rail that Mode owns completely, through QR code initiation, utilizing open banking to make the transaction. And on top of that, we are incentivizing consumers to use it through Bitcoin cashback. And that connection of open banking transaction that really benefits the merchant and a Bitcoin cashback reward for the consumer by utilizing that is proving itself to be a very strong value proposition for merchants, for customers, and for us at Mode. The other thing that we've really built out that's going to continue to differentiate Mode over the years is our regulatory platform. So we earned our e-money license from the FCA in the middle of the year, and we also were the 5th company to receive our 5-AMLD crypto asset registration. This is going to be a significant differentiator for us, especially starting in 2022. So when you think about the tailwinds that are out there right now for Mode, the marketplace is asking for these products and this regulatory platform that Mode already has today. We sit here with it live, with the right registrations through the FCA to be able to make a lot of these growth opportunities come to fruition. If you pick up a newspaper today, you're going to read headlines about Visa, MasterCard, the traditional credit card companies being challenged by the merchants over their fees. These traditional ways of paying are now being challenged by merchants that are just fed up with the high fees. And that's where Mode comes into play with our open banking solution. And we can provide a much lower fee structure to these merchants. And that's what was reflected through THG. That's what's going to be reflected through our relationship with LK Bennett and the others that are in our sales pipeline. On top of that, you have a regulatory tailwind that's in our favor as well. There's a lot of conversation in these big financial countries like the US and the UK about how is cryptocurrency going to be regulated. And by us receiving the registration, the 5-AMLD registration, it puts Mode right at the forefront of that conversation, and it presents us an opportunity to continue to take market share from companies that do not sit on that registration. That's a big opportunity for us as we look forward into 2022 and even well beyond, because this isn't just a one-year game. This is going to be a multiple-year game with this registration that we've received. It keeps us on that forefront of regulation. So when I think about our shareholder value, I think about our stock price, we have significant opportunities as business to grow. And it comes from us having the products, the payments products, the Bitcoin cashback product, and having the regulatory platform to be able to execute this in a unique way that not many other companies can do today. That's a major opportunity for growth as we look forward. A little bit more on 2022 with these tailwinds. We've also been able to go into a couple of different business lines with the platforms that we've already got, whether it's our app, our wallet, the payments, the Bitcoin cashback, and the regulatory, this has allowed us to have some offshoot business line opportunities for further revenue and profit generation. And two of those, one of those we announced late last year was the affiliate program, and the other one we announced was the payroll, the payroll pilot that we're doing with PayEscape. So I want to touch quickly on the affiliate program. There's obviously a lot of news flow around this. At that time, we announced that there was about 40 plus brands that we were part of their affiliate programs with. And 3 brands were named in the announcements. And unfortunately, I can assure you that we were part of their affiliate program. But with the publicity came a lot of negative press around it. And subsequent to that negative press, the 3 brands that we had announced pulled out of the affiliate program. So it was quite disappointing for us because the PR really kind of changed that announcement for us. But at the end of the day, it did not kill the affiliate product that we're going to be launching. It did not kill it for us. In fact, we've been able to grow it from 40 plus merchants when we announced it originally to well over 100 merchants today. So there's over 100 merchants that are ready for us to launch our affiliate program that we have agreements in place with. Now, what I'll say is of these 100, I don't know if we'll launch with all 100 on day one, because what we're doing is we're going to all 100 of these 100 plus merchants that we have these agreements with, and we're having direct conversations with them. We're having direct conversations to ensure that they understand what they've signed up for. They understand the benefits and the opportunities that Bitcoin cashback brings to their company and increase sales at the end of the day. So we're having those conversations, we're developing those relationships, and I couldn't be more excited about what that is going to bring to fruition for us. So if you remember, our affiliate program is just us offering Bitcoin cashback through these merchants' affiliate programs. And this can be a very profitable business for us. And it's a good opportunity for growth and bringing in more users as well. But as we develop those relationships and we develop a direct relationship with these companies, it gives us the opportunity to continue to upsell into our own payments process, right? Them utilizing ModePay, and then having a direct relationship to offer their own Bitcoin cashback type program. So the affiliate program gives us a great opportunity and great exposure to lots of various merchants. And we're focused on developing those relationships to ensure that Bitcoin cashback is seen as something very positive for these companies to be associated with. The other product that I'm really excited about is this takes minimal investment from us. But because we made the investment into our wallet, our app, our payment system, Bitcoin cashback, we can have these offshoots, and that one is Bitcoin Payroll. And the key to this product is being that regulated Bitcoin wallet, having that AMLD5 registration. Because through this Bitcoin Payroll, we're now able to go directly to payroll companies or to companies direct that want to offer their employees the opportunity to get paid in Bitcoin. So as these companies sign on with us, and we're trialing this with PayEscape as we have announced, and we're actually just agreed to another trial with a company to where we'll be offering their employees Bitcoin payroll as well. And through this, these employees can dollar cost average into a Bitcoin investment. And we're really excited about this business because we think it's a unique opportunity within the UK market for us to grow and really get the Mode name out there and bring users through that dollar cost average opportunity into the wallet. So the other big thing that we focused on at the end of 2022 was in December, we launched the biggest marketing campaign that we've ever done at Mode. We haven't done a lot of marketing before. And the reason for that is simply it's expensive. And it's very easy to spend millions of pounds before you know it and not get the results that you wanted, not be able to grow your user base, not being able to bring the right quality of customer into your ecosystem. And so we spent a significant portion of the second half of last year really thinking through our marketing strategy. How are we going to get the name of Mode out there? How are we going to attract the right customers into our ecosystem that will utilize it? And I'm really proud to say through that research, we were able to create a marketing program where we could go try a lot of different angles. We could try various methods to see what works for us and what doesn't work for us. And most importantly, we had the capabilities to monitor the success of each one of these pathways to be able to double down on our spend. If we saw it working, we were able to double down and bring more customers into our ecosystem. Or if it wasn't working, we could immediately stop the spend. And that's critical to any good, strong marketing campaign. And we were able to successfully do that in December for the first time. And just through December, we were able to get 20,000 plus new downloads of our app. And so the early results of our marketing campaign and how we're approaching it have been strong. So for every dollar we spent on marketing, we understand exactly what that dollar is doing. And our cost of acquisition for these customers is extremely competitive. And we're going to only continue to improve because we have a real strong understanding of the data and how our marketing campaigns are working and how that's translating into revenue for us. So I couldn't be more happy with that initial phase of marketing that we've done. And we're going to continue to focus in on that and continue to make sure that every dollar we spend is a dollar well spent of marketing. So just to conclude this, what I'm most excited about Mode is that we are meeting anyone that's interested in Bitcoin. We're meeting them exactly where they are on their Bitcoin journey. So when you think about a crypto expert or a Bitcoin expert, we provide that wallet. We provide that registered on and off ramp through the FCA to where they can cash in, cash out, move their money around, trade. And we also offer them the opportunity to attain Bitcoin in a lot of different ways. If you're Bitcoin curious and you're willing to put a little bit of your capital at risk, the Bitcoin Payroll is a great opportunity to go after that market. And it's an easy way to get in through dollar cost averaging and be able to invest and grow your portfolio within Bitcoin through your own payroll. And the other way is if you're interested, but you're new to it and you don't understand Bitcoin all that much, you can go do your everyday shopping and earn Bitcoin cash back in a relatively risk-free way. And I think that's so important for our company to be able to meet people wherever they are in their Bitcoin journey. At the end of the day, what we've got to do is continue to expand that market, expand people that understand Bitcoin, understand crypto, and bring them into the Mode ecosystem. And I think we're doing a really good job of that through our product development and really combining these various aspects of the new financial ecosystem, whether it's payments or crypto or fiat. That's the opportunity that we have, and that's the opportunity that we've really built a strong platform on in 2021. And it's giving us that opportunity in 2022 to go grow and operationalize these products. So we're continuing to be focused here at Mode on executing on our roadmap, and we're continuing to focus on different ways that we can bring the shareholders value. I hope to do these on a regular basis to keep you updated as things progress here at Mode. And I look forward to updating you with results as we go forward. So thank you for your time. Thank you for listening.